Hello friends, now we are studying delta connected generator. In delta connected generator we have IR, IY and IB are phase currents, VR, VY and VB are phase voltages, IL1, IL2, IL3 are line currents and VRY, VYB and VBR are line voltage. So now what we can conclude from above diagram is we can say if our delta connected generator is balanced, so the mod of VR will be equal to mod of VY is equal to mod of VB, that will be equal to V of phase, and mod of IR will be equal to mod of IY will be equal to mod of IB is equal to IPH, and the line voltages VRY will be equal to mod of VYB is equal to mod of VBR is equal to mod of VL, and mod of IL1 is equal to mod of IL2 is equal to mod of IL3 is equal to IL. And second point is we can see in case of generator the line voltage and phase voltage both are same. VR will be equal to VRY. So mod of VL is equal to mod of VPH, means for delta connected generator line voltage is equal to phase voltage. Now I am going to draw the phasor representation of all the voltages and currents. So let us assume VR as reference. This is VR, this is VY, our phase sequence is RYB, and this is VB. And if our load is lagging in nature, then we can draw IR that will be lag behind by an angle of phi here. So this will become IR and this will become IY. It will also lag by VY, and here it will be IB. It is also lag by an angle of phi. Now we can see in the circuit that what I have drawn, the value of IR is equal to IL1 plus IB. So that means IL1 is equal to IR minus IB, and we can write in the same way IL2 will be equal to IY minus IR, and I can write IL3 is equal to IB minus IY. So IL1 is equal to IR minus IB. So I am going to draw the first one, that is IL1. IL1 is equal to IR minus IB. IB is here. So if I am drawing to the dotted line, this will be minus of IB. So the resultant of IR and minus IB will be like this. So this will be our IL1. You can see from here IL1 will be equal to mod of IL1, basically mod of IL1 will be equal to mod of under root of mod of IR square plus minus of IB square plus 2 into mod of IR mod of minus IB into the angle difference between IR and minus IB is how much? 60 degree. So cos 60 degree, and this will become IL1 is equal to root 3 times of IPH. Putting all the value of IR, mod IR is equal to mod IY is equal to mod B is equal to IPH we know. So IR will be IPH, it will be IPH square plus 2 into IPH into cos 60. That will give IL1 is equal to root 3 times of IPH. So this is important formula for delta connected generator. The line current the generator will deliver, that will be equal to root 3 times of IPH. So what we have observed is the important point basically in delta connection between any two adjacent phase currents angle will always be 60 degree. You can see in the diagram the angle difference between IR and minus IB is how much? This is 60 degree. Okay, so keep always in your mind. Now another point is the fourth point, that is angle between VL and IL. This was the third point, I think I didn't mention it. So the fourth point is angle between VL and IL. You can see from the diagram that VR is equal to line voltage also, because phase voltage is equal to line voltage, and VL and IL 1. So the angle is 30 plus 5. So you can see for RL load, I have taken here the RL load, the angle is 30 plus 5. And in case of R load, the angle between line voltage and line current will be 30 degree. But in case of RC load, the angle difference will be 30 minus 5. Next point is when we are taking IL1 as reference. So when IL1 will be reference, you can see from here IL1 will be equal to IL at the angle of 0 and IL2 will be equal to IL at the angle of minus 120 degree, and IL3 will be equal to IL at the angle of minus 240 degree, or IL at the angle of 120 degree. And when we are taking IL1 as reference, so phase current IR can be written as I phase at the angle of 30 degree. You can see in the diagram, if IL1 is line current and IR is phase current, then there is an angle difference between them is 30 degrees. So IR will be equal to IPH at the angle of 30 degree. IY will be equal to IPH at the angle of minus 90 degree or 270 degree, and IB we can write IPH at the angle of 150 degree. These all the currents I have written by assuming line current as reference current. So here it is all about the delta connected generator. Thank you.